Hi everyone, this is Clara from Meghna's Kitchen. Today I am going to show you how to prepare cauliflower 65. We will call gobi 65 also. So let's get start our recipe. For making cauliflower 65, just take cauliflower, blanch them in hot water with the salt and turmeric powder just for 1 minute, so that if there is any insects or anything that it will come off, and also you will have it nice and clean cauliflower. Now we are going to make this batter for this cauliflower 65. For making batter, I am going to add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, adding 1 tablespoon of salt, and now adding 1 tablespoon of red chili. In this I am adding chopped coriander leaves, adding curry leaves, adding half tablespoon of black pepper. Here I am going to add red chili pickle. If you have red chili paste, you can add it. Instead of red chili paste, I am going to add red chili pickle because it gives awesome and red color for our cauliflower 65. Lot of people add color. If you want to add color, you can. Here we are going to add all-purpose flour, that is maida, 4 tablespoons, and adding 3 tablespoons of cornstarch. Now we are going to mix all of this, and we are going to add water and make this into a thick batter. Look at this thick batter. Pour this batter onto cauliflower. Just let this cauliflower coat with this batter. Mix it gently. Here I have a lot of foil which is getting hot, and you can see I am going to add it to the hot oil cauliflowers. We will fry it till they are crunchy and crispy. Cauliflowers are look great and light golden. We will take them out. Similar way I will make them second batch also. I have fried them second batch of cauliflowers. In this oil I am going to fry green chilies and curry leaves, few curry leaves. Take them out. Now we are going to make this sauce for cauliflower 65. Take oil in a pan. In this we are going to add chopped ginger, finally chopped garlic. People really like this method because it's more flavorful, and especially with a lot of nice with ginger and garlic. Mix it gently. Adding chopped green chili. Adding finely chopped onions. Mix it gently until they are in light and golden color. Adding 1 tablespoon of salt. In this adding 1 tablespoon of red chili. Adding half tablespoon of soya sauce, not too much, very little. Mix it gently, and adding 2 tablespoon of yogurt. Now we are going to let this cook slightly dries out. Fantastic taste. So look at this. This is nicely cooked. And now we are going to add our cauliflower. Just toss them slowly And when after adding into this cauliflower will remain crispy because we dried out this masala. You can squeeze in a little bit of lime juice if you want. Guys, you can have this the dry method. After you frying even them, it is very flavorful. You have this double doses of spices. It becomes so nice. And this kind of method is very popular, where they just make this masala and put. People love to eat it with fried rice and all of it, but this is very nice. We tossed it in the nice masala. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Please make sure to subscribe, click on that like button, comment, share to your friends. I'll see you again with my new recipe. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.